Hello, parents and students. My name is Harshida, and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today, we will be discussing IEO International English Olympiad Class 2, Chapter 7 Adverbs. So, what are adverbs? Adverb is a word that adds more information about place, time, or manner, or cause, degree for a verb. Okay, so in short, it gives you more information about a verb. So she walks slowly. So how she walked? Slowly, right? So here slowly will be the adverb. Section A, identify the adverb from the given options. First question, slowly I lifted the dusty lid of the old trunk. Okay, so how the lid was lifted? It was lifted slowly. That is why adverb is option A, slowly. The angry peacock looked everywhere for its beautiful feathers. Okay, so where the peacock looked? Everywhere, right? So that's why option C is the answer. Question number 3. Some boys always wear baseball cap. Okay. How many times they wear? What is the frequency? It is always. That is why option B, always, is adverb. Okay. Question number 4. My lazy dog often takes long naps upstairs. Okay. So taking nap is the verb, and where it takes upstairs, right? Okay, and also how many times the nap is taken? It is taken often, right? So that's why option D, often and upstairs, both are adverb. Okay, so please tick option D. Question number 5, when did you see her last? Okay, so see is the verb. And when did you see her last? What is the time of it? Which is last. And that's why option D is the answer to this question. Okay. Question number 6. A cat came into the hall silently. Okay. So cat came. How it came? It came silently. That's why option B is the answer. Question number 7. Priyanshu seldom quarrels with his friend. Okay, here the verb is quarrel. And how frequently the quarrel is happening? That is seldom, which is nothing but not often or rarely. So only sometimes, kabhi kabhi quarrel karta hai. Okay, so here the verb is quarrel and adverb is seldom, which is option A. Please tick it. Mrs. Arya has recently been to States. Okay, been to States is verb been somewhere. Okay, so gone to States basically. But what is the frequency or time over here? Recently. That is why option D is the answer. My brother also speaks French. Speaking is verb. Okay, so speak is verb and also speak. So also, that's why also is adverb. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. It is very hot in June. Okay, so it is very hot. Hot is verb, but very is adverb. How hot? Very hot. It rained heavily on Sunday. How it rained? Heavily. That's why option C is the answer. Question number 12. Please don't say so. Okay. So saying is nothing but verb. But please don't say so. Okay. That is why so is adverb, which is option D. She is not intelligent enough. Okay. So here the adverb is enough. She being intelligent is fine, but not intelligent enough. Okay. So that is the degree, right? कि कितना इंटेलिजेंट है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. That is why option A is the answer. Question number 14. Cut the fruits carefully. How you are going to cut? Carefully. Or you will get hurt. Okay. So that is why carefully, which is option C, is the answer. Question number 15. Which two words correctly complete this sentence? Timothy's dash trumpets tooth dash timidly. Okay, so we are talking about here you have to use homophones. So Timothy's trumpets, so they are talking about more than one, so it should be two, which is option C or B, right? So Timothy's trump two trumpets toot dash timidly. Okay, so it should be two timidly. Timothy's two trumpets TWO tooth too timidly, very timidly. Okay, so which is why option C is the answer. So let us understand the meaning of this particular sentence. Timothy is the name of a person. He has two trumpets because it says S, that's why you can make out they're talking about two trumpets. So Timothy's two trumpets. Trumpet एक तरह का musical instrument होता है. Is you know how it is making sound? It toots too timidly. मतलब बहुत ही slowly. Timid will be, you can say slow, nervous, shy, right? So or gently you can say. So that's why Timothy's two trumpets tooth making the sound too timidly, मतलब बहुत ही timidly. So this is the homophone which you should be using in this particular case. Next question, question number 16. In which sentence is the word to used correctly? Okay, this watermelon is too heavy. So this has to be TOO. बहुत heavy है. Okay, hold it with two hands. So here the first one it should be TOO2. The second one hold it with two hands. It should be TWO. Okay, it's very slippery true. So there this has to be again two. ये बहुत slippery है. Okay, well, hand it to me. Yes, give it to me. मुझे दे दो. So that is why option B is the answer to this question. Next section, section B. Read the sentences and choose the opposite of the bold adverb. Okay, so now you have to find the opposite of the adverbs which are highlighted in bold. मतलब इस तरह से डार्क किए हैं वो. Those are highlighted in bold. Okay, इसको bold कहते हैं. This is normal and इसी को dark करेंगे तो this is called as bold. Okay, the witch gave a pat kindly. So उसने पीठ थपथपाई कैसे? Kindly मतलब अच्छे से, calmly. Okay, now the opposite of kind will be cruel, which is option D. So the witch gave a pat cruelly. Okay, kind का opposite is cruel. Father held my hand tightly. So tight का opposite क्या होता है? Loose, right? So its opposite is option D, loosely. Father held my hand loosely. So generally parents will hold the hand tightly when they are in crowded place, so that the kids are not lost, so they will not hold the hand loosely. That is the difference between them. So they are opposite to each other. Question number 19. The wind blew softly, मतलब आराम आराम से, slowly, gently in my hair. So soft का opposite क्या होता है? It is harsh, harshly. Okay, soft का opposite is harsh. Good. Question number 20. They called me downstairs. Okay, so downstairs मतलब सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरना. So which means सीढ़ियों से ऊपर चढ़ना is the opposite word, right? And which is upstairs. Downstairs, upstairs. Okay. Question number 21. The thief came into the house quietly. मतलब आहिस्ता से, बिना जोर से आवाज किए. Okay, that is quietly. So opposite to that will be loudly, which is option A. Mohan did his homework clumsily. So clumsily मतलब एकदम shabby work, खराब से. He has done homework. Mohan did his homework clumsily. मतलब एकदम खराब से the homework has been done. So opposite of clumsily will be neatly. We should all do our work neatly. Question number 23. The shopkeeper talked to the salesman rudely. मतलब बहुत ही गंदी तरह से बात किया. That is being rude. Opposite for rude is showing politeness. Okay, we should always speak to others politely. मतलब अच्छे से बात करना चाहिए. It is raining heavily. Okay, कैसी बारिश हो रही है? Heavily, right? So that's why heavy का opposite क्या होता है? Light, which is lightly. It rained lightly, or it is raining lightly. Okay. Question number 25. Rima arrived earlier than expected. Jaldi पहुंची than what was expected. So, okay. So opposite of early is late. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? Earlier. Rima arrived earlier than expected. Right? So that is why earlier के जगह what word we can use is, the opposite word is later. Rima arrived later than expected, which is option C. Please tick it. Achievers section, also known as HOTS, and it is the last section of the paper. Okay, so choose the correct adverb to complete the sentences. Alright, Reena will come dash to attend the function. So Rita will come. Now it is saying will, right? So when you have will, it is going to happen in future. So out of these, which option shows you the future? It is tomorrow, which is option D. Reena will come tomorrow to attend the function. Okay? Alright. Question number 27. My uncle visited us. This is the frequency of visiting, which is going to be frequently. Okay? So, my uncle visited us frequently. That's why C should be the answer. Moving on to the next question. My result was declared dash. So because it is declared, already it has happened. It is going to have yesterday. My result was declared yesterday. Okay. So question number 29. The sun shines dash. Now how sun shines? We all know it is bright, right? So that is why the answer should be option B. The sun shines brightly. Come dash and sit beside me. Okay, so come here. यहाँ आओ, पास में आओ. So come here and sit besides me. That's why A should be the answer to this question. So with this, we completed our chapter Adverbs. So let us move to the table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 7 and congratulate ourselves that yes, chapter 7 has been completed as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.